2024 Harley Davidson dyna wide line. New tyres, new vents and hinds, new brake pads, new front disc. Just recently serviced and a clean. Just push back in the choke. It's taking over nice. Ready to go for the driving season, but nothing happening at the moment with the COVID restrictions. So get a bit of a clean here and there, a few bits done to